Good evening and welcome to the last P&O Iona holiday series, being the last port of Le Havre, where we went on excursion to Paris. So in today's video we're diving into the heart of France's capital city, exploring iconic landmarks and uncovering hidden gems. Whether, like me and Carolyn, you're a first time visitor or a seasoned traveller to Paris, Paris also has something new to offer. On the journey, we eventually see the first major monument, the Arc de Triomphe, symbol of French national pride, standing at the centre of Place Charles de Gaulle. This monument honours those who fought and died for France. No trip to Paris is complete without a visit to the Eiffel Tower. Now, unfortunately, we couldn't actually manage to go up on the tower and see amazing landscapes, but we did get to go under it, and just being in the general vicinity of the Eiffel Tower was absolutely amazing and stunning. So during this excursion we was also had tickets to go on a River Seine tour excursion, which was roughly around maybe an hour. There is obviously a full video that I've created actually in my Patreon account. The Patreon link is in the video description, which if you want to see the full video, it's there already. So along the River Seine tour excursion, we've seen the other attraction, Notre Cathedral, which at the time with the fire it was still being restored, but it was still a great experience to see it in person. Sure, say obviously going along the River Seine. So that's it for this last port video, an excursion to Paris. If you did enjoy this particular video, I would appreciate it if you hit the thumbs up, like button. It's greatly appreciated, as well as if you can share this video out, also greatly appreciate it. Please do comment what you think of this particular Paris video. And lastly, if you haven't already, please do consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, Dave's Adventures. So until the next video, bye, and everyone have a happy New Year 2025. Until next year and more videos on my YouTube channel. Bye for now.